Hi guys, how una dey? Hope we are cool. Guys, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you all. But guys, please still help me share my video. Please, I'm begging. Help me share. Thank you so much. Help me share. Comment and like. My wonderful family, please help me share. I'm begging. Anytime, any day you come across my video, please help me share. Thank you so much. And if today is your first time you are seeing my video, please follow me on my Facebook page and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. You see, this headwrap is not even hard at all. You can do it perfectly. Yes, it's not hard at all. So, and if you wish to put that second hand too, like the way I did the first one, you can do it to get the first shape like this to the second side. Yeah, so if you wish to do it, you can do it. So I just feel like tie that place and do the friends form. So if you want to get the same form that I put to the this side, then you can also do what, put this thing inside the way I did the first one, so that you will get the shape. So guys, please help me share. Thank you guys. Thank you. All right, see you in my next video. Bye.